Samsung's upcoming flying camera phone is poised to revolutionize mobile photography by integrating drone technology directly into a smartphone. This innovative device features a detachable drone module equipped with multiple high-resolution cameras, including a 400MP main sensor, a 50MP ultra-wide lens, and a 16MP depth sensor, enabling users to capture professional-grade aerial photos and videos with ease. The drone module is designed to fly autonomously or be controlled remotely, offering AI-powered subject tracking and obstacle avoidance for seamless operation. The smartphone itself boasts a 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display with 4K resolution and a 144Hz refresh rate, ensuring a vibrant and smooth visual experience. Under the hood, it is powered by either the Exynos 2500 or Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset, depending on the region, providing top-tier performance for demanding tasks. With a robust 7,000 mAh battery supporting 100W fast charging and 30W wireless charging, the device ensures extended usage times, while the drone's separate battery allows for up to 25 minutes of flight time. Expected to launch in late 2025, this premium smartphone is anticipated to be priced around $1,999, positioning it as a high-end option for tech enthusiasts and content creators seeking cutting-edge mobile photography capabilities.